Let me guess, someone pulled it. Let me guess. Let me guess, someone pulled it. I guarantee you someone pulled it.
Turn that off.
All right.
Like, cool. Yeah, absolutely. Turn it off.
It is off.
I can still see it.
That's Steph Larson.
Pardon the interruption. First of all, thank you for everybody who partaking in this going on this morning. I know it was kind of an experience. But first of all, thanks for all the students and staff for getting out of the building as effectively and quickly as you did. You did a great job. Number two, it was a water line break in the concession stand, just so you guys all know what's going on. So that is what was caused the alarm to go off. Again, if the alarms are still going to be flashing until the fire department has said that we can turn those off, they did release and say that we can come back into the building. So if the alarms were to go off by chance, just sit still unless somebody tells you that we need to leave again. But as of right now, everything is good and clear, and we should be good to go for the rest of the day. Thank you.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I just have these on in case if it goes off or something.
See that? It's blinking in my room. I'm like, we're going to the gym.
They're all blinking.
I'm like, but it's personified. Over here. Good thing we printed them. Chris, drop through.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
You're good.
Hey, don't touch it. It really says personal energy.
Oh, it stopped.